Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. This week I just felt like doodling a Hoshi. I mentioned this a lot, but I don't draw him as much as I used to, and I really need to, and maybe I just need to like spice up his design a little bit, I don't know. But yeah, one of the things that I really like about him is that he has like really acidic saliva, like bordering venom, but I think it's more poisonous. I don't know. It's like it's very like acidy, melts through stuff. Maybe it glows, I don't know. But I've never like drawn it before, really. I don't think, unless I have and I don't remember. But yeah, I just wanted to do that. Just a quick little headshot with his glowing, toxic saliva. That I'm gonna say that he can choose when he is like that. Like, I don't know. Because he's not always like that, obviously. I feel like that would kind of suck. So yeah, that's what this is. But that's pretty much all I have to say about it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.